What up, Dill here. We're at the Hanoi Cozy House in the Hon Kiem district of Hanoi. This is the hotel room tour. This hotel room was $13 a night on Agoda. Got a little coat rack thing here. It's a twin bed. The man at the desk is very nice. They have free breakfast from 7 to 9:15 a.m. They can tell you where all the sites are. We got fan here, or we got AC when it's really hot. They give you some slippers. Here's your toilet. Here's your sink. Here's me. Here's the shower. One thing I'm noticing though, I don't see a butthole washer. I really like to wash my butthole in Vietnam. It's very nice. It's very nice. Nice luxury that we don't have here, or don't have in the U.S. A nice way to cleanse your anus with fresh streams of typhoid-filled water. All right, cheers.